I'm going to show you the best free Microsoft alternative. Now, the first one I'm going to show you is called LibreOffice. This is one of the most popular alternatives out there. Now, if I want to show you, you can see I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to go to this image in a new tab, and you can see this is what LibreOffice looks like. It's pretty similar to Microsoft Office, this being Word, this being Excel, and this being PowerPoint. You can see it's pretty similar. It's 11 to 12 to the real Microsoft Office. If you want to download it, you just have to go to this button up here and download LibreOffice like this, and you can just click on this big yellow button, or if you want to torrent it, there's a link down here as well. Okay, this is the URL up here, libreoffice.org. download LibreOffice. But if you don't want to download anything, if you want something straight from the web, then I'm going to show you the big three, which is Google Docs, Spreadsheet, and Slides, each respective being Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to type something, go with Google Docs. If you want to count your money or you want to find other tables, then go with Spreadsheet. And if you want to present something, then go with Slides. But if you want to present something, you can also go with Canva. That is a pretty popular option as well.